Hey there! I wanted to hop on really quick because we just got our top 20 list of the top most common and frequently purchased products with Lemongrass Spa for 2022. So I wanted to hop on and share with you guys because this is always so exciting. There's always some of my all-time favorite products in this list every year. And so I just wanted to go over all of them with you. And if you're interested in making a purchase of any of these, I do have a current event open and I'm happy to send you the link. So just drop the products that you're interested in below and I will reach out and let you know how you can get those into your home. So number 20 is our Ultra Hydrating Body Cream. Guys, this is a fantastic body moisturizer. It's unscented, so it's great for even those with sensitive skin. It's just very nourishing and moisturizing, and you will absolutely love it. One of the things that I hear a lot about this product is it's great, especially at this time of year. I'm just trying to find the main ingredients here for you guys so you can hear a little bit about it. But it's especially great for this time of year because so many people have dry winter skin from all the heat and everything that's going in your house and then going out into the cold weather. So this will definitely help with that. Number 19 is one of our newer products, and it is our Lavender Magnesium Deodorant Stick. So if you have never tried a natural deodorant, I would really encourage you to try our magnesium deodorant sticks because they're amazing. They last a really long time. They really help fight odor, and you're not going to get that irritation that you often can get when you have other natural deodorants. So this is a great alternative if you've tried other natural deodorants and haven't had a lot of luck. Number 18 is our Sunkissed Coconut Body Polish. Guys, our body polish is amazing. It's got a sugar ingredient in it, so it's got sugar for the exfoliation, which is very natural, and sugar is very helpful at gently exfoliating all that dry, dead skin. And then you could always follow it with our ultra hydrating body cream, right? Because it's going to help to allow that lovely sun-kissed coconut scent to shine through without any other scents mixing in. Number 17 is our sea salt spray. So if you are a fan of beachy waves and that just got out of the beach look, you will love our sea salt spray, and it has a lovely coconut scent. It is one of my favorite products that's on this list. Super exciting for anybody that has wavy hair to really help to increase that volume. Number 16 is our Sheer Volume Mascara. So you may have tried our organic mascara before. We have that in black and brown. The Sheer Volume only comes in black. It's very dramatic. It gives you the pop to your eyes. It's great for a night out, date night, or even just an everyday look. This is going to be a great mascara for you to try if you have never tried a natural mascara before. Number 15 is another one of my all-time favorite products, and that is our vitamin C serum. So vitamin C serum really helps to increase collagen production. So if you're starting to get some of those fine lines and wrinkles and you want to just give your skin a little boost of nutrition, so kind of is what it comes down to, then this is a great product to add into your everyday skincare routine. Number 14 is our probiotic eye gel. So if you have never tried an eye gel or an eye cream before, you will love the probiotic eye gel. It actually has caffeine, which helps to wake you up, and it helps to plump and minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Number 14 on our list is our Clean Slate hand and body bar soap. This is from our men's collection, but if you like a clean, crisp linen type scent, you will love the Clean Slate body and bar soap. And number 12 on our list is our Lime Magnesium Deodorant Stick. So this is both of my kids' favorite. I like the lavender, they like the lime, but if you are a fan of natural deodorant, I would encourage you to give this a try. Number 11 is one of my other favorite things. I have a lot of favorite things, guys, and a lot of them are on this list, and that is our Microderm Abrasion Cream. So this has microcrystalline volcanic pumice, which really helps to give you a very good exfoliation on your skin. It's great to use 2 to 3 times a week to help slough away the dry, dead skin and reveal the new, fresh skin that's underneath. Number 10 is our Travel Herbal Foot Care Kit. Now, if you have never tried our complete herbal foot care kit, you are in for a treat. It includes our herbal foot soak, our walnut foot scrub, and then a peppermint foot balm so that you have soft, supple feet after you've soaked them. It's very relaxing and soothing. This is what comes in our Freedom Feet kit as well. So if you know anyone that's serving in the military or currently deployed, this is a great gift for service members or their families that are left behind. It's a great way for them to kick off their shoes at the end of the day and soak and relax their feet. And it really helps to soothe and invigorate sore muscles, as well as help relax you before bed. So this is a great way to give it a try and see if you want the full size. Number 9 is our Spearmint Eucalyptus Hand and Body Bar Soap. This is one of my son's favorite soaps. He uses it in his shower and it just smells so fresh and clean. It's great for waking you up in the morning with that eucalyptus and spearmint scent, and it's just a lovely fragrance to have in your bathroom. Number 8 is our prebiotic facial wash. So this is part of our starter skincare set. I would highly encourage you to get the whole set, but if you want to just try the cleanser and give it a try, I love our prebiotic line. So for those of you who aren't familiar with prebiotics, prebiotics are like health food for your skin. So you may know that your skin's microbiome is made up of all kinds of different things, including healthy bacteria that helps keep your skin safe and protected. And so the prebiotics are helping to feed that good bacteria so that they can then get rid of the bad bacteria and you'll have nice, fresh, clean skin. It's also great for minimizing scarring. So this is a great skincare set for anybody that's experiencing acne. Number 7 is our Botanical Face Cream. So for those of you who have more mature skin or dry skin, you will love our Botanical Face Cream. It's very rich and emollient, and it just feels amazing. Number 6 is our anti-blemish spot treatment. This is one of my daughter's favorite products. This is great for those pesky, zits that pop up from time to time. It has colloidal silver, which helps to heal those skincare concerns quickly and effectively. And it's a great thing to have on hand for those occasional breakouts. Number 5 is our Charcoal Detox Facial Bar Soap. Now this is great for those of you with oily skin, acne-prone skin, or if you just really like to have charcoal-based products, which are very helpful at drying out impurities. Number 4 on the list is our Rosemary Shampoo Bar. This is the thing that my husband and my son use all the time in the shower. Rosemary is very invigorating to the scalp. It helps to stimulate hair growth, and it just smells amazing. Rosemary is one of my favorite scents, and so I absolutely love the Rosemary Shampoo Bar. Number 3 is everybody's favorite, the Coconut Rehab Cream. If you want to feel like you are going on a little beachy vacation every time you wash your face, then definitely check out the Coconut Rehab Cream. It's a very effective moisturizer, which has a lot of electrolytes, which is great for your skin, and it helps to brighten your complexion. Number 2 on our list is our natural hairspray. So if you're tired of that sticky, stiff feeling hair that you get with over-the-counter hairsprays, give our hairspray a try. It's going to give you that light hold that you want with natural ingredients, and it smells amazing. And number 1 should be no surprise. I think this is the 12th year in a row. This has been our number 1 product in the company, and that is everybody's favorite, our Healing Elements Balm. So for those of you who have never heard of Healing Elements, this is an all-around salve/balm that's great for all your skincare needs. You can use it for windburned skin, chapped skin, sunburned skin. It's great for bruises, minor cuts and scrapes. One of my friend's little boy, when he was a toddler, he used to call it his lavender boo-boo cream because it smells like lavender and vanilla. It smells amazing. It works really, really well. It's great for minor burns, bug bites, bee stings, acne, you name it. Healing Elements can help it. So if you do not already have a tub or a stick of this in your home, I would highly encourage you to give it a try. And again, if you would like the link to this month's event, just comment below and I'll make sure that you get that. If you would like help customizing something for your own home to help ditch and switch the things that you're currently using to more natural options, I'm happy to help you with that as well. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Either tag me in a comment below or send me a message, and I'm happy to get back to you with what I recommend for you and your family. Have a great day. Bye-bye.